predicted, we're at the point of no return. We can't go backwards, and no corners have been turned. I can't control it, if I sink or if I swim, 'cause I chose the waters that I'm in.
Que da igual si tú o yo, si lo entiendes o si no, yo merezco mucho más. Solo quiero algo de ti.
If it's not what you're made of, you're not what I'm looking for. You were willing but unable to give me any more. There's no way to changing, 'cause some things will just never be mine. You're not in love this time, but it's alright. Oh,
Siempre te escucho y resulta igual a nada. Tengo mil dudas sobre tu sinceridad. Creo que es justo recibir lo que te he dado, porque yo mismo decidí.
and it makes no difference who is right or wrong. I deserve much more than this, 'cause there's only one thing I want.
Si no estás por esto, no eres lo que yo busqué. El quererme no lo es todo. Pudiste darme más, no sigas, no cambies. Hay cosas que no me entregarás. No es verdad sin más, pero está bien.
What's your definition of the one? What you really want him to become? No matter what I sacrifice, it's still never enough.
Como te dije, me hundiré sin remisión, porque me encuentro donde yo quise elegir.
If it's not what you're made of, you're not what I'm looking for.
El quererme no lo es todo.
To give me any more, there's no way.
No cambies, hay cosas que no me entregarás.
You're not in love this time.
Si no estás para esto, no eres lo que yo busqué. El quererme no lo es todo.
Give me any more, there's no way. You're changing, some things just never remind. You're not in love this time.
No es verdad, no hay más.
You're not in love this time.